Hey there, Greg Marchand here. Why I do what I do. Look, I had this thought the other night. I was watching some YouTube shorts. I think this guy named Jay Howie, I think his name is, guitarist. Dude is amazing, and it's awesome. And I could waste hours, I don't, but I could, just watching his videos. And here's the thing, I thought to myself, man, I wish I could do that. That'd be super cool on YouTube. But the reality is I don't do that. This is what I do. So why do I do what I do? I get up every day to help people like you. And we can't get a lot done in 60 to 120 seconds, but if there's anything that I do here that makes you start to think or makes you start to wonder what the possibilities are, then I've done my job. So look, if you appreciate these little nuggets, please subscribe to the channel, leave some comments below, spread the good word, and I'll keep doing what I do for you. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.